morning kids. Kids, today we will learn about birds. What we will learn today? We will learn about birds.
Crow. Crow is very clever bird. It has shiny black color feather. Okay. Pigeon. Pigeon is beautiful small bird. It eats small insects and grains. It's green color. Do you know kids? Owl cannot see during the daytime. It can only see during night time. The next bird is vulture. Vulture is very large bird. It fly very high. Ducks are found in the place where there is water like pond. Ducks have shorter neck and wings. They have waterproof feathers. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It has very beautiful feather. Hen. Hen is brown, black and white in color. It has a strong red beak on his face. The next bird is Kingfisher. It catches fishes from the water. Their feathers are bright blue and orange in color. Eagle. Eagles are large and powerful birds. They eat fishes and small birds. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small and grey color bird. It makes nests on trees and buildings. The last one is Parrot. Parrot is very beautiful bird. It eats green chili. It can mimic human speech also. Thank you kids. Have a nice day.